Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone not working on an Acer laptop, so you can actually get back to using it for calls, recordings, and more. So first, simply check your microphone settings by pressing Windows plus I at the same time. Then go to System. Then select Sound. From here, simply make sure the correct input device, which is your built-in mic, is selected. Next, you can then scroll down and make sure your microphone access for this device and allow apps to access your microphone are turned on. And if it's still not working, you can also try opening Device Manager. Then go to Audio Inputs and Outputs. Then right-click your microphone and select Update Driver. Now you can also try to uninstall it, then restart your PC, and don't worry, Windows will automatically install it again. So after these steps, your Acer laptop microphone should start working properly again. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.